Hi, my name is KTMCS. I did have a quick demo video for you on the Blizzard Cyborg. This is a marker right here featuring a couple of new accessories that we just put together. It comes with the special op suppressor of 12-inch Raptor barrel or line claw barrel, depends on the build that we do. It has a lightning bolt handguard, destiny carry handle, and of course the new Cyborg multi-adjustable buttstock right here. This buttstock, you can adjust the cheek well, the cheek pad right here. You can move it up and down based on where you want it, so that when you look down your goggles, it's exactly the spot that you set up at. The buttstock pad, it can be moved up and down based on where you want to shoulder your rifle. We're gonna do some shot right here from here to that light pole, about 50, 60 feet. Let's put some round through, and you can see how this marker works. All right, here we go. Safety. Four inches, and I've been hitting that pretty good. I mean, it's actually a pretty good shooter. So I can do one more magazine so we can see exactly how it functions. This is a clear mag. We're gonna shoot again. I love the clear mag, by the way. You can see the rounds in there. A lot of people kind of don't like its look, kind of like toyish, but in firearms they also use it too. So having this, it's a lot of advantage. You can see the rounds in there, how many you have. There's a jam or anything going on, you can actually see exactly what's going on there. So here it goes. Wow, that's an excellent shooter. Well, that's what all I have for you guys today. If you have any question, comment, concern about this marker, let us know, and we hope to see you guys out there. Thank you.